Hello friends, it's my 90-gallon Cichlid tank. Today I am going to change its water and clean the filter. Let's start. First point, this is February 2023. So outside is cloudy weather. It means little bit cold. So I must check geyser. Geyser is running, that's why this temperature is near about 45 degree. So I can change the water. Tap water temperature can be 10 or 12 maybe. So I will not put direct that water in this tank. Tank temperature at this time is 26.8. So now first I will switch off heater, then water pump, sump filter water pump. I off both things. That's why this sump water is coming up, and sump level is full increased. That's why tank water level is little bit down, and this waymaker water is coming out, moving too much. So I have to off waymaker also. This is waymaker and air pump, and this is waymaker. I also off this one. And now if I come here, this is my internal sump filter. Here I have first portion mechanical media, sponges, and here I have biomedia. I will not take out this one, only I will clean this one. Now time is 11:58 am. It means 12 pm. Here I have necessary things: polyester foam, which I will replace, add new one, this pipe for siphon, the waste, bowl, 25-watt pump, big pipe, and here one small pipe. I have taken out all foams. This is too much dirty. Almost 1 month pass, I have not changed the water and not cleaned this filter. And if I see here the condition, here is also too much dust. Now with this siphon pipe, I will take out this water because waste is here, because I have removed the foams. So with this siphon pipe, I will throw out this water. Here this white one, polyester foam, I will throw out, and the remaining one I will wash. I will wash them like this, fully rub. Mostly I have seen the videos on net that people said don't wash sponges because there are beneficial bacteria in these foams. This is right. Beneficial bacteria grow on surface. So if I will wash like this with tap water, there is two possibilities. One, there is chlorine in water, maybe in this water, and that bacteria will die. And second, if I rub like this, that beneficial bacteria can die. But I have a box in my sump filter center partition that have bio balls, ceramic rings, K1 rings, too many things. So there are too much space to have beneficial bacteria. But if any friend don't have these things, then never rub like this sponges, and don't wash with tap water, only use tank water. For more detail, you can watch my video, my filtration system. I shall put the link in description. Anyone can see. Now I wash them quickly and then we go inside. I washed all sponges by full rubbing. Now I will add them, and this one, polyester foam white one, I will add new one. I will again say, if any friend don't have this box, then never wash all sponges with tap water, otherwise beneficial bacteria will die and ammonia spike can come and there will be a problem in fishes. So for more detail of this box and all aquarium, I will paste the link of other video, there any friend can see. I have placed all sponges. Now with this pump and this small pipe, I will add the water in sump. I will add tank water in sump, and tap water I will add in tank. Now on the pump, this water start filling. Here water start coming up. After filling sump till maximum height, I have connected this big one pipe and drop it outside. And now I will on this pump and drain the water till 14 inch. It will be 40% because maximum height is 22.5 inch. And if I will empty till 14, it will be 40%. Now almost 2 inch down during this some water change. I have seen too many videos. Mostly friends say when you will change or clean the sponges or change foams, don't change the water at that day. But I don't know why, maybe beneficial bacteria issue, but beneficial bacteria stay in surface area, not in water. I have almost 32 fishes, 90-gallon tank. So I change this water after 1 month, and same day or after 2-3 days, sometimes change the filter, white color polyester foam, 1 week gap, and no issue from last 3 years. My pump is 25 watt, it's little bit small, so it will take little time to drain it till 40%. But if any friend can use big pump, then it will be quick. This water is coming from tank. These black color stones are lava rock stone. Due to these lava rock, nitrate level remain low. If you don't have lava rock, then you have to change water 30% or 25% after 1 week or 10 days. Before I was doing the same, but after adding these lava rock stones, now I change the water after 25 or maybe 30 days sometimes. But thanks God, fishes remain okay and nitrate level remain maximum 30 or 35 ppm. That is little bit more, but not too much. Without lava rock, after 1 week or after 10 days, it can go 45 ppm. So lava rock is very good for removing nitrate or reducing nitrate level. I will paste its link also in description. Now it's very close to 14 inch and now time is 12:30. It means 30 minutes past. I have washed the sponges, added new one and changed this water. It is taking time because my pump is small. Now level reached till 14 inch. It means 40% water empty. Now I will off the pump and also take it out little bit. Then it will break the siphon. Otherwise water will remain continue to go outside. Now I will add here anti-chlorine as per calculation, how much water I have taken out and which anti-chlorine medicine or liquid I have. So as per calculation I will add and then start filling the water. Maybe tap water have chlorine, that is dangerous for the fishes and fishes can die. Now I am going to start water filling. As I told, it's winter. If it's summer or ambient temperature is normal, then no issue. I can connect this pipe direct to this tap. As it's winter, so water temperature can be 12 or 13. So it will make tank temperature too much down. So I connect small piece of pipe here till here and connect this temperature sensor and put it here. Its temperature is 18.6. If I open this cold side slow, then its temperature will come down. And if this water will go in tank, then tank temperature can come 15 or maybe closer to 12. So I have to mix here hot water a little bit. I will open this hot water to increase this temperature till 28 or 29 here. I know because I have changed many times that if 28 or 29 degree will be here, then on my tank it will be 26 or 27, maybe little bit plus minus. So hit and trial, this can be adjusted. After that, need to open the tap as per requirement. Now I will open the cold side, also adjust the hot side little bit to get here 29 degree. 25, little bit hot more need. After adjusting hot and cold water, I get here 29.5 or 30. And if I go on tank, here water already filled little bit from 14 to reached 18 inch and tank temperature is 25.7 because I open the hot water a little bit late, that's why temperature little bit down 1 degree, but no issue, 1 degree is no problem. Now water reached till 22 inch, I stop water filling and now I have to take out this pump, otherwise it makes siphon because water was coming through this pipe. And when I off that tap, then water start going out from the tank through this same pipe. So now it breaks siphon and water stop going. I will on this sump filter, heater, wave maker, everything, make it ready. Then I will see some water will come in the tank and if water will little bit down, then I can add little bit more. And in 40 minutes I have finished the activity. Due to this video it take little time, otherwise it need maybe 30 or 35 minutes. I have started water pump, heater and wave maker, everything. So this waste is little bit moving because wave maker and some filter was off for 45 minutes. Now it will clean within 5 or 10 minutes. No issue. But don't forget to on the heater, which I off for the water change. And at this time tank temperature is 26.6, almost same which was before. And here I have another Arduino meter which have minimum and maximum temperature values. 26.6 current temperature, 26.9 maximum and 25.8 minimum. During this water change, minimum tank temperature was 25.8, which is not too much difference. 26.6 and 25.8, 1 degree change. That's why the geyser water must be there. Otherwise, this minimum temperature can be 12 or 13 degree. It depends on the weather or ambient temperature outside. Hope this video will help someone. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.